sort of. It's like 11 o'clock right now. But don't mind my face. I've just been sneezing like a crazy person again. And I don't know. I'm just chilling on the floor right now. I don't know why, but because I just turned that on because it's super hot. But yeah, so I don't know if you noticed, but yesterday my vlog went up at like 4 in the morning or like 3 or something like that. And the reason for that is, you know how I mentioned yesterday that like I was talking earlier in my vlog, I was like I want to go to the park, but then I ended up not going because two of my girlfriends came over. Well, I was gonna sneeze, but never mind. So they ended up sleeping over. So that's why I was like, the last time I recorded yesterday, it was 2 o'clock in the morning. So I was like quickly just ending the vlog so I can quickly upload it. But like, yeah, it was 2 in the morning. So by the time I was uploading, it was like 3 or 4. So that's the reason for that. But yeah, they left now, and it's like, yeah, like I said, 11 o'clock, 11 something, and my parents are leaving for the wedding at 2. And then they're coming over to hang out with me again, because just running some more errands, and then they're coming back. Seriously, I have a sneeze coming. Oh my god. I hate this. But, oh my god, that's really nice lighting. That's really nice lighting. I just can't stop sneezing. Oh yeah, now I don't know what I was saying, but yeah, so they're gonna be coming over to hang out later, but I don't think they can spend like the night, cause, well, anyway, my piano teacher's coming over to spend the night with me anyway, so she lives like literally 2 minutes away, so like a 2-minute walk over. See what I mean? I just can't stop sneezing. But yeah, that's what's happening, and that's kind of what's up now. See, like, I just can't stop sneezing, like, at all. That was 4 times in a row in this one clip. Oh my god. But yeah, we went to bed like 3. That's 5 times. I don't know what's happening. It just always happens, like, time to time. Alright, see you later. Okay guys, as soon as I turned off the camera, I sneezed 5 more times. So in total I sneezed like 10, and then just now I just sneezed 11 times. This is what's been happening. I'm fine. I think I'm just like, I don't know. I'm not getting sick. It always happens. Ugh. 13 times. Or 12, I don't remember. It sucks because it's making me dizzy. But yeah, I just want to get that on video because, like, I just sneeze so much, and I don't know why. We thought that I was allergic to my cat, but it's not that. Oh my god. Like the title of this being, seriously can't stop sneezing. It was like 15 times now? 15 or 14? I really want to keep track. I need to go get some medicine because, like, this is not gonna stop otherwise. I don't think. It'll get better during the day. It's just sometimes it happens in a period of time for an hour. Once I seriously once I sneezed over like 200 times in 1 hour. I'm not joking. Oh my god. But yeah, I just want to get that on camera real quick while I was still vlogging. But I'm like, I need to get dressed. I want to make my bed, but I like can't. I'm like, every time I sneeze, I get dizzy. Like, cause like I don't know, like, cause I sneeze so many times in a row that it's like, I feel another one coming in. But I mean, I've heard that like if you prevent your sneezes, like that's not good for you, because then something can, like a vessel can pop in your brain, or something like happens with your brain if you prevent your sneeze. I don't know, I heard something like that, but I don't know if that's true or not, so whatever, but still. So I know that's not healthy to prevent their sneezes. But yeah. I'm gonna go now. Now that you've seen what's been happening. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm gonna go and try to get some things done. Hey guys, so I'm going outside for a little bit. Oh my god, these doors are really hard to open, but because I'm gonna take some fresh air because I'm like, I finally stopped sneezing like just now. So yeah, I'm going out. Just to hang out outside. Probably just gonna go sit and chill. Oh my god. Sorry about that. Whoa. But yeah, my patio doors are really hard to open and close. This lighting is insane, you guys. I'm just gonna go chill. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna hang around outside. It's like 12 something. So my parents are leaving at like 2, so in 2 hours. So yeah, I'm just gonna hang around outside for a little, and because my sneezing finally stopped. That's good. But literally, as soon as I turned off the camera, I sneezed 10 more times. So yeah. So guys, so it is currently 5 o'clock and I'm home alone right now, but my girlfriends are coming back in a little because my mom made pizza and now she just has it like right there covered. So they're coming back, and then my piano teacher is coming for pizza, and then she's going back to her house. Or she could stay this whole time. It depends on what she wants to do, but I told her like it doesn't matter because like they're coming over anyway. But like I'm gonna feed my cat because like I feel bad, like because his food bowl, I can't talk, is literally empty, like fully empty. You can see that. So I'm gonna feed the little kitty. He's under the couch, and I feel bad. He's so hungry, but get that food. Get his food. My mom makes food for my cat. That's like our food, but like she makes it like different. Okay, yeah. So he's gonna get excited. I should go right here because. Chama, food. I don't give him everything that's in here. Ooh, very wrong. Oh god, that smells really awful. Oh jeez, okay. Alright guys, let's go and feed my kitty. I'm taking this all to this bowl. Chama! Food! It usually comes out to... Oh! He's right there! Guys, he was right... Oh my god! You're right there, huh? Okay, here. Can I set up the camera? I know you want some food. I know you're excited. Yeah. I'm trying to link it the best. Oh, the food is coming. Yeah, you can come on that side. It's better. He's like, I don't care about you're setting up the camera. Just feed me, please. Yeah. He's literally eating too. But we never say no to him. He's like begging for food, and then we're like, oh, I feel so bad for him. What? Who's there? And so I'm gonna give you one more. Oh, he's already digging in it. I'm gonna use. Watch out. I'll give you a little more right there. Oh, he's like. And then do one more. Oh, there's some of it just fell. Oh no. I can't like. Oh no, I'm getting all dirty. Okay, it's okay. Here. I'm gonna put that in your bowl, might as well, because it's like. There you go. I'm gonna go wash my hands for that. You guys can watch him eat while I wash my hands. And put this away. This is not like cat food you get from the store. This is cat food that my mom makes. So it smells like the cat food from the store, like you get, but no, it's like actual stuff that we have, and my mom makes it into special cat food for the cat. Because, I don't know, we just thought it's like better, and it is healthier, I think, so. He really likes that stuff. You're watching him eat right now? He's still eating? Oh yeah, he's a hungry. Oh my god, you're like cleaning that bowl. And I was gonna like clean this, but actually, you know what? It doesn't matter because it's there for like. You could literally see him like. He's like, ah. He's so cute. Yeah, now my hands smell really fishy. That's great. But yeah. He's so cute, you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to film that. I don't know why. I just thought it was really cute. Maybe he's just eating, but yeah. Hey guys, so it is almost 8 o'clock and I'm just chilling here. And yeah, I don't know how much I'll still vlog, but because like I don't know. My piano teacher came and we all had pizza, and my girlfriend's left, so yeah, I'm just here myself with them. I'm still gonna FaceTime them, but like, yeah. So we left and we just kind of hung out, and then my piano teacher is gonna come back at like, she just told me whenever, so yeah, like 8 or 9, because like, I don't know, but I have my kitty here. Wait, actually, you know, I might put you guys, he's chilling on my chair. There you are. Oh, I don't want to spin you because I don't want to make you dizzy. Seriously, what is up with my lighting? It's really weird in my room right now. The lighting. Hold on, you guys. Sorry about this. Oh, okay, shoot. That was the. I'm putting you guys against my iPad real quick, but like it just fell. Okay, I'm done. I'm putting you right there. There. It's my iPad that just kind of plummeted. But yeah, I don't know how much I'm going to still film, because she'll be here the whole night. Come here. Come here. Oh, you are so heavy. I love you though. I want to chill on the chair. Oh, I letted you. Is that a word? Is letted it? Letted you? That's not. I really need to go back to school. I let you stay on my chair for a little, but now you can chill back on the bed, okay? Yeah, I really do need to go back to school. I don't know if letted it is a word. I don't know. But yeah. So yeah, I don't know how much I'll still vlog, but yeah. It's gonna be it for now, but yeah, again, I don't know when I'll pick up the camera next, but yeah, I will see. I don't know. We'll see. I'll try to end the vlog, but I don't know if I'll vlog anymore today, but we'll still have to see. So yeah, and he taking a nap, cat nap, huh? But yeah. You guys, why are there fireworks going off? You guys hear that? I'm so confused. Again? Fireworks for no good reason? It's August 10th. It's been going on for like at least a good hour, these fireworks. Yeah. What? Hey guys, so it's 12 o'clock now, I think. Right? Wait. Yep, 12:02. And I'm gonna be going to sleep, so I just want to end this here and upload it. Well, I might just chill, but I'm gonna like try to get to sleep. But yeah, because my parents aren't still in bed. They're still back because they're going back at like 4 or 5 in the morning, something like that. So yeah, and I found out that there is some sort of holiday today, so that's why they were doing fireworks. But yeah, I feel like today's vlog has been pretty long today. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep, so I'm gonna end this here. And yeah, that's gonna be it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!